Hello students. So we are going to start a new chapter 6 decimal from mathematics. So this is very important one before we have learn about the fractions. Okay. So what is the definition of decimal? A decimal is a number that consists of a whole and a fractional part. Okay. So that is called the decimal. Take example 1 by 2. So whole is 1 and the fractional is 1 by 2. So in decimal how we can write? So we used to write like 1.5. So this is small point. This is called the decimal. Okay. So numerator when the numerator is less than denominator. Okay, upper one is numerator, down one is denominator. Take example, if the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 2. So here it means we have to be multiply, sorry, we have to be divide 1 by 2. So is it possible? So what we have to do, first put a 0, then after I am making little thick the point. This is called the decimal. And when we increase the point, put the point at time, we can add the 0. Now 2 5 times 10, no remainder. So it is 0.5. So this point is a decimal. Okay. Once again about the definition of decimal. A decimal is a number that consists of a whole and a fractional part. Just pause the video and write the definition of decimals. We are going very thoroughly. Okay. So now let's move to the next, reading and writing of decimal. So how to read the decimal? Reading. Suppose the number is 8.58. So how to read according to the decimal? So you have to read like 8.58. How to read? 8.58. Okay. Don't read like 8.58. That is a wrong way. So you have to read 8.58. This is the way to read. Clear? Now let's move to the next. So here expanded form for the decimal numbers. Expanded form. Suppose take example 4.75. 4.75. So how to expand this number? Clear? So 4 is a whole. So 4 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100. Okay, this is expanded form. like we have learned about that place value. So how we have to write? 4 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100. Okay, now let's move to next. Addition of decimal number. So how to add the decimal number? Addition of decimal numbers. The point is very small, but it's make big changes. So always be careful. Take example. Suppose we are adding 5.6 plus 0.95 plus 27.5. So how to do the addition? Look here, this all small dots, these are points. So point make it straight way. Okay, so how to do the addition? This is a basic thing, but be careful. Slowly we're going to learn more about the decimal. So 5.6, the next number is 0.95. So 0 should be here and point should be just below the point, and here the 9 5, and the last one is 27 27.5, not a 0.5. Okay, 5. Now have to be add this all number, there's nothing. So if I put the 0 here, 0, no changes. So it will be 5, 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, and point should be here. Now 2 is carry, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, and 1 is carry, this is 3. So the answer is 34.05. 34.05. Okay, so this is about the addition. Very simple. And another thing about the subtraction. Subtraction of decimal numbers. Subtraction of decimal numbers. The small point is very important one. Okay, so this is a part of also your term 1 syllabus. Suppose we have to be subtract subtract 0.126 from 11. So which one is a bigger number? As you know, the 11. We have to be subtract 0 point should be here 1 to 6. Okay, so put the point here. Now if I increase the 0, the number will remain same. So simple subtraction. 10 minus 6 will be 4, 9 minus 2 will be 7, 9 minus 1 will be 8, and here the decimal. Clear? Now it will become 0 and 1. So our answer is 10.874. Clear? So this way you have to do the subtraction. So today we have learned about the decimal, the definition. A decimal is a number that consists of a whole and the fractional part. Like 1 is whole here, 1 by 2. So when I divide the 1 by 2, it will be 0.5. After this, how to read the decimals? Like 8.58. So how we have to write? 8.58. After the point, don't read directly. It have to be read individually, single number. Now expanded form, like 4.75. 4 plus 7 by 10 plus 5 by 100. Clear? Now addition also. So what is the important thing regarding addition and subtraction? This point should be straight, and the same way simple subtractions. Clear? This is numerator and denominator we have discussed. Subtraction of decimal number. Now subtract 0.126 from 11. So 11 is a whole number and 0.126 is the fractional number. So when we subtract 0.126 from 11, we got 10.874. Okay. So many things we are going to be learn about the decimals. So see you in next video. See carefully. If any doubt, let me know in the comments. Okay, see you.